guys, this is my iPad. I use it to upload videos in YouTube. And why it's so broke? Cause this is the story I'm gonna tell. And here we come. This is the story why I broke my iPad. The story of this, my second cousin step on it and jump on it. And I so sad. I cried every day because I think it's broke. And this is my iPad. And I hope you enjoy, and I hope you like to see my iPad. And I am Gilmer Saliba.
I use Hans tablet
And I use Hans Carl Cantada tablet to upload this on YouTube. Hope you enjoy, guys. Bye. And this is Hans Carl Cantada. He's a new guy in YouTube. I hope you like it. Bye.